What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here's question is asking the source follower of figure must achieve a voltage gain of 0.85 and an output impedance of 100 ohm, assuming W over L is equal, L2 is equal to 10 over 0.18, lambda n is equal to 0.1 voltage minus 1 and lambda p is equal to 0.2 voltage minus 1. Design the circuit. Okay, let's go ahead and calculate the gain. Write the equation for the gain first. AV is equal to GM R out, and here the R out for this circuit is GM parallel 1 over RO1 plus 1 over RO2. Now we can also write this one as, this is actually 1 over R out. If you write this one in terms of R out, this is going to become 1 over GM plus 1 over RO1 plus 1 over RO2. Now this is our R out, and also here RO1 is equal to RO, and also RO2 also equal to RO. So instead of writing two terms, we can just write it as 1 over RO, 1 over RO. That's going to give us 2 over RO. Since the common denominator is the same, we can directly add them. So R out will become 1 over GM plus 2 over RO. Okay, now let's continue here. Now here we have R out provided, output impedance 100, and GM we have to calculate, and then RO value also not provided. Okay, let's write the values. We have voltage gain, that's AV. AV is equal to GM times R out. Let's use this one. AV is equal to GM times R out. From this one we can calculate the GM, because AV is provided to be 0.85. 0.85, that is equal to GM times R out is 100 ohm multiplied by 100. Therefore GM gives us 0.85 divided by 100, that's going to be 0.0085. Now we can apply this GM to this equation, so we can find out RO value. R out is 100, that is equivalent to, let's say this is equation 1, let's say this one equation 2. Okay, 100 is equal to 1 over GM is 0.0085 plus 2 over RO. Here if we solve for RO, that gives us 1333 ohm. Okay, now RO is equal to this, then RO is equal to 1 over lambda times ID. Here we are going to solve for ID current. ID is 1 over lambda times RO. 1 over lambda is, here this is lambda n. Lambda n is 0.1 times RO is 1333, and that gives us, if you calculate this one, that gives us 7.5 milliampere. Okay, now we have ID1 actually. So let's continue this one. Here we are going to find out W over L using this one. So to find out W over L, we are going to use this formula. ID1 is equal to half W over L times mu n COX VGS minus V threshold square. VGS minus V threshold square. Let's plug all the values. ID1 7.5 milliampere and half W over L is what we are trying to find, and mu and COX is, here we are dealing with a MOSFET, so it's going to be 100 times 100 mu ampere. Let's just put avoid the unit, so mu, I mean micro, 10 to the power minus 6. And then VGS is 1 and V threshold is 0.4. V threshold is a constant value, that is 0.44, and from this one if you solve for W over L, you will get a ratio of 4 over 6. Now here I'm going to set I ref to be, this one gives us 0. Okay, let's keep this one as it is. Let's set I ref to be 10 less than this, that is 10 times less than this, that is 0.75 milliampere. Set I ref to be 0.75 milliampere, and from this one you can see, from the equation you can see ID1 is directly proportional to W over L1, so I ref also going to be directly proportional to W over L2. Since already we already know if we have a 7.5 milliampere, the WL was 4 over 6. This one was 4 over 6. Then WL2 is 10 times less than this. So from this one you can create a ratio. Like to create a ratio, we can directly put the ID1 over IRF. ID1 over I reference is equal to 7.5 milliampere divided by 0.75 milliampere, and that is 10. So from this one we found out the ratio for W over L1. Let's plug this one for ID1, and instead of this ID1 IRF, we can write this one as W over L1 over W over L REF, that is equivalent to 10. That is equivalent to 10, and then W over L is 4 over 6. So 4 over 6. This one divides by 10, so it's going to be 6 times 10. That's equal to W over L REF. From this one, if we find out W over L REF, that's equal to 42. Okay, so we can say that ratio of width length of the MOSFET is 42. That's our final answer. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electronics too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Now let's double check this one. Alexa, what is 4 over 6 divided by 10?
0.66 repeating divided by 10 is 0.066 repeating.
W over L, there's something wrong here. W over L1 divided by W over L2 is equal to 10. Four over 6, 2 over 3. Alexa. Okay, actually I made a mistake. Alexa, stop. This one is 416. Actually I copied it wrong. This one is 416 and therefore this one is going to be 416 divided by 10. 416 divided by 10, that's how we got 4.16. That's approximately actually 41.6. That's equivalent to 42. Okay, this is a mistake. This 416. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn electronics too, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.